In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete theme on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you are using a theme different from your favorite theme, or the way the theme looks is not really captivating, and you want to delete the theme and set a clear and clearer theme on your Samsung device, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to delete theme or remove theme on Samsung Galaxy phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to wallpaper and style. Click on that. Now you should see your theme set as your wallpaper. All you need to do here is you need to change this wallpaper by clicking on change wallpapers. Now you need to look for which of the wallpaper you want to set here, or come to your gallery and choose your wallpaper. You can also come to color or wallpaper service. However, selecting wallpaper services will show ads on your Samsung Galaxy phone while on lock screen or when you are charging it. So all you just need to do here is select the wallpaper that you want to use. You can also click on this option to see all available wallpapers, that is graphical. Then let's say here featured, then see all the featured wallpaper here. In this case, I'm going to go with this wallpaper. This is going to be my home screen and this is going to be my lock screen. Go ahead and click on, then click on the done button at the top right. So first thing we just did here is we've changed the wallpaper. The next thing is to remove the theme. Press and hold your Samsung phone home screen until you see this page, then click on theme. Once on the theme page, click on the menu icon at the bottom right like this, and then go to my apps. So this is my stuff. If you have my app here, go ahead and click on my app, and if all you have is my stuff, go ahead and click on that. Then if you see your theme here, right on this page, select a default theme different from any of the theme you downloaded. Select this and apply this as my default theme. So that's the first thing you want to do when you want to remove theme on Samsung. So this is the default theme. Again, come back again, go to the theme page. On the theme page, click on the menu icon at the bottom right, then select my stuff. Then you can then click on this, delete it, and then tap delete. Again, repeat the process on the second theme or any other themes you have, and tap delete and click on delete again. There you go. Then now go back to your Samsung phone home screen. So this is how you can easily delete theme on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.